For more of our educational video tutorials, do subscribe to our CEC Educational Videos channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification. So in today's topic, we'll be discussing about HTML frame sets. Okay, the purpose of frame set is to create multiple sections to display multiple documents in a single browser window. So at a single browser window without that multiple sections create kori multiple documents show koribo para. That is in simple terms how you can describe your frame set. So this is a syntax of your frame set. Okay, you have to use frame set tag, and this is attributes. We will come to attributes part in later stages. Okay, so you can separate the window in either row or column wise. This we will be clearing with examples. Okay, or you can apply both row wise and column wise, combination of both syntaxes. So how you can achieve to create multiple sections with the help of frame tag. Okay, these HTML frames are used to divide the browser window into multiple sections where each sections can be loaded separately. Or in simple terms, you can say a frame set is a collection of frames in browser window. Okay. One more thing, important thing to note is we do not need body tag to describe your frame set. Okay. So you can like pause the video and take down these notes. So this is the first example of a frame set. See, HTML, it contains HTML tag, head, title, all these tags, usual tags, but there is no body tag. Okay, we start straight from frame set tags. Direct frame set tag पर start होइसे या तो body tags नहीं ऐसा. And this code, output of this code is this. We have divided this browser window in what horizontally we have divided it in, that means we have divided in row wise. Okay, we have divided in row wise. So frame set tag is required, then row property. 3 percentages, like percentage kihor karone to describe me frame set kini kenuka way divide kori bisara. Top part 20%, middle part your 60%, and your last part kini 20%. Okay, then we apply frame tag. Okay, this name attribute and source. আমি প্রথমতে কৈছিলো যে frame কিহৰ frame setত কি কৰো আমি as a single browser window multiple sectionsত divide কৰি তাতে বেলেগ বেলেগ আমি documents insert কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, see, but every frameত আমি এটা বেলেগ documents insert কৰিছো. Okay, then usual every frame tag at a frame tag or ending thakibo. Then this is your frame set ending. Okay, next we have divided your browser window in column wise. Column wise আমি divide কৰিছো. Okay, the first column, this is second column, third column, every section আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ documents insert কৰিছো. Code খিনি চাও ইয়াৰ. See, again 20, middle part 60%, and the last part 20%. Okay, total kini 100% hobo laibo, that you have to take note of. Okay, it cannot cross 100% or it cannot be less than 100%. tar bhitor jenuka way tumi milabo para 30 40 30 total mili 100% hoy. এনেকুৱাকে তোমাক চাব লাগিব ওকে ৰেষ্ট তোমাৰ সিনটেক্স খিনি একদম সেম হয় সো কলম ওয়াইজত ডিভাইড কৰিব হলে দেন কলম ওয়াইজ কলস এট্ৰিবিউট খিনি দিব লাগিব ৰো ওয়াইজৰ কাৰণে rows এট্ৰিবিউট খিনি দিব লাগিব okay so in this example both row and column wise তুমি divide কৰিব পাৰা okay see both row and column apply হৈছে this row wise and further এখিনি row তুমি দুটা columns divide কৰিছা so frame set rows 50-50% দুটা section divide হৈছে কাৰণে 50-50 first কাৰণে খালি frame থাকিব second frame জায়গা তোমাক since মই divide কৰিছো second frame এই কাৰণে frame জায়গা তোমাক frame set খিনি ল'ব লাগিব okay খিনি কোড তোমালোকে নোট ডাউন কৰি ল'ব পাৰা দেন নিজে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰা okay see first খালি frame এটো এক্সাম্পলত একো ডকুমেন্টস ইনসার্ট কৰা নাই just to show how you can divide your window in multiple sections in combination of both rows and columns okay columns of 50-50% next example again a bit complicated okay the previous one to all simple asile eta all aru difficult hoise see first columns are divided we divided the browser window in columns first to empty frame thakiba first will remain empty frame second in place of second frame so I have divided in again in two sections okay that is row wise section or divide kora hoise then etu karone empty frame second or karone again frame set or divide kora hoise in column wise okay see columns 50-50% for this empty frames you have to use then for this again row wise you have to divide 50-50% for this empty frame again for this frame you have to place frame set divided in 50-50 columns this one is empty frame this one is empty frame okay this is your example of frame set in combination of both rows and columns attributes this is the final example okay this one is the most complicated one okay let's take a look at the output first then we'll discuss the code okay so what have we done here we have divided this window in three row sections inter row section and first of all divide kora ase this one is 30% this part is 40% and rest is 30% for first 30% frame of 30% it is divided in columns of 3 frames okay 20% 60% and 20% of 3 frames for second frame again it is divided into it is horizontally divided in 2 frames and the final for final frames I have divided into again 2 columns okay when you will apply it on your own then you will know okay it's not that difficult you have to just apply it from yourself ঠিক আছে অলপ নিজে চাব লাগিব otherwise it is not that difficult and finally I have few tasks for you you have to solve these okay etu solve koribo lagibo applying your frame set obviously the first task and your second task. Okay, this one is first task, this one is your second task. Apply কৰিব লাগিব নিজৰ concepts এতিয়ালৈকে যিমানখিনি চালা ঠিক আছে so that is it for today. Hope to see you soon again. Till then, stay safe, keep practicing. Thank you.